how much should you actually spend on an electric pole saw? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, HEINPRO cordless pole saw. Let's talk about the HEINPRO cordless pole saw. Priced at $127.18, what caught my eye was its compatibility with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, which means if you're already invested in that ecosystem, you're in luck. If you want a lightweight and user-friendly pole saw for tree trimming, this is worth a serious look. With a reach of up to 14.2 feet, it can easily handle those high branches without the need for a ladder. The automatic oiling system is another nice touch, ensuring the chain stays lubricated, enhancing cutting performance. Essentially, it's designed for safety and ease of use, with a dual-side safety lock trigger that accommodates both left and right-handed users. Now I have to mention that the battery and charger are not included, which some users found frustrating. But here's the thing, if you already own a compatible DeWalt battery, this isn't a deal-breaker. It's all about flexibility for those who are already part of the DeWalt family. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight pole saw that's easy to handle and doesn't require extra batteries. Skip this one if you want a more traditional setup with everything included right out of the box. Honestly, for the price, it's a solid option if you value convenience and performance. Now, if the lack of included battery bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, MAXLANDER corded electric pole saw. Next up is the MAXLANDER corded electric pole saw, which retails for $101.74. What stood out to me is its robust 6-amp motor, delivering a 31 ft/s chain speed. If you want a powerful and reliable tool for tree trimming, this one deserves your attention. The adjustable head, which can tilt up to 40 degrees, allows for precise cutting angles. This is crucial when you need to maneuver around tricky spots. The safety lock feature ensures that the saw only operates when you're ready, which is a small but important detail for safety. However, some users mention that the cord can be a hassle, especially if you're used to cordless tools. But honestly, if you're okay with being tethered, the uninterrupted power is a big plus. You won't have to worry about battery life during those long trimming sessions. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable saw that won't die on you mid-task. But skip this one if you absolutely want the freedom of movement that comes with a battery-operated option. For the price, it's hard to beat this level of performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for versatility. Product number 3, BROVR 2-in-1 cordless pole saw. The BROVR 2-in-1 cordless pole saw comes in at $112.68, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. What really grabbed my attention is its dual functionality. You can use it as both a pole saw and a handheld chainsaw. If you want versatility in one tool, this is worth a serious look. With a maximum reach of 13.5 feet, it's great for high branches, but detach the mini chainsaw for those ground-level tasks. The brushless motor provides a chain speed of 20 ft/s, which means you can slice through logs pretty quickly. Plus, the automatic lubrication system takes a lot of the guesswork out of maintenance. On the downside, some users found the weight a bit challenging during prolonged use. But here's the thing, it's designed for versatility, and the lightweight nature makes it easier to handle for most tasks. Just be prepared for a bit of fatigue if you're trimming for an extended period. This is perfect for you if you want a tool that can do it all, from high branches to ground-level cutting. Skip it if you're looking for something specifically lightweight for long sessions. Honestly, for the features, the value is pretty decent. Now, if you're looking for something even more powerful, the next option on my list might just surprise you. Product number 4, HECUSAM 2-in-1 cordless pole saw. Next is the HECUSAM 2-in-1 cordless 8-inch pole saw. It's a little pricier but worth considering. It boasts an impressive brushless motor and a maximum reach of 4.2 meters. If you want power and flexibility, this one is a solid contender. The 180-degree adjustable head is a fantastic feature that allows for precision cuts from any angle, no more awkward bending or twisting. Plus, with dual 4Ah batteries, you'll get about 100 minutes of runtime, which is great for those larger jobs. However, some users have reported that it can be a bit bulky for smaller hands. But here's the thing. If you're tackling bigger branches, the power it provides is often worth the extra size. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful tool that can handle tough jobs and you don't mind the heft. Skip this if you want something lightweight and easily maneuverable. For the performance, though, I think it offers excellent value. Now, if you're really looking for a multifunctional tool, our last option is something you should definitely check out. Product number 5, V-Modest 4-in-1 Pole Saw. Finally, we have the V-Modest 4-in-1 Pole Saw, which offers a unique combo for $. The 4-in-1 design really caught my attention. It can handle different types of cutting tasks. If you want a tool that adapts to your needs, this one is definitely worth a look. With a maximum reach of 15 feet and a powerful 880W brushless motor, it's designed for both thin branches and thick trunks. The adjustable angle feature also means you can make precise cuts without straining your arms. Plus, two 21V 4000 mAh batteries give you plenty of power to work with. However, some users might find it a bit heavy at 12.97 pounds. But honestly, that weight comes from the durability of the materials used, which can handle heavy-duty tasks without bending or breaking. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight. For what you get, I think it's a valuable addition to any garden toolset. In summary, we've covered some fantastic electric pole saws. The HEINPRO is great for DeWalt users, while the MAXLANDER offers uninterrupted power. The BROVR adds versatility to the mix, and the HECUSAM gives you serious cutting power. Finally, the V-Modest shines with its adaptability. Each option serves a different need, so consider what suits your situation best before making a choice.